Alrighty, we are going to be graphing a parabola using vertex form now. So we're going to do f of x. Vertex form is a x minus h squared plus k, where h comma k is my vertex. So we're going to complete the square, but we're going to do it like with two little parts. So I want you to pretend that the x squared plus 2x is the left side. So we'll do x squared plus 2x plus a blank, and then minus 5 minus a blank. And then we're going to figure out what goes in our blank. Remember that we take half of our middle term and square it. So half of 2 squared is 1. And then we've got this piece and this piece. So we're going to go to x plus, remember that we take half of the 2 and square it, or just half the 2, 1 squared, minus 6. So f of x equals. So then our vertex is -1, 6, because it's opposite of this one. You notice that that's minus h, and then it's h. So if it's plus 1, it's -1. And then plus k, so that one does not change. Okay. Then we're going to go over here and graph it. We're going to plot our vertex. Our vertex is -1, -6. Shoot. -6. -1, -6. Because it's the same. So then we're going to go -1, -6. And then I'm going to come over here to my calculator. And I'm going to type in my original problem, which was x squared plus 2x minus 5, y equals. And then I'm going to go second table and give me at least 3 points. So -1, -6, and -2, -5, and 0, -5. So -2, -5, 0, -5. And then it just makes a parabola. Okay. Now let's look at this one. So it asks us to find the axis and the vertex. So we're going to complete the square again, but this time we're going to do f of x. At -3, we have to factor him out. So it's going to be x squared minus 4x plus a blank, and then minus 8 minus a blank. Because we are on the same side. So we've got this, and then we have the minus 8, that piece. Okay, so I want to know half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. So 4 goes in the first blank, but then I have to take -3 times 4 is -12. So -12, hold on. Y'all saw me mess up, right? -12 is going to go in the next blank. So that's going to make it, let me double check that. -3 times 4 is -12, -8 minus a blank. Yeah, that's right. So it's -3. I complete the square on the inside. So remember, we take half of our middle term. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4, which gives us this number. But then this is just x minus, I bring down that sign. And then half of 4 is 2. And then plus, so that's going to be plus 4. So my vertex, and the way you can check that, just to make sure you're right, is you can actually full that out. So -3x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4, -3x squared plus 12x minus 12 plus 4 is -3x squared plus, no.
Last call for supplies. We're going to pass them up in a few minutes.
You know what? I'm going to go keep going because I'm almost done. I'm at school. You just have to deal with it. So that's the same. So that works. So my vertex, remember, it's a x minus h squared plus k. My vertex is 2. I've started and stopped this video about 6 times because I keep getting interrupted. And I'm like, you know what? No, it's fine. So 2, 4 is my HK. So that's my vertex. And vertex. And then my axis of symmetry is always x equals that number in the vertex. So it's x equals 2. Okay, that's the end of